In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived lists on Trello. Whether you're doing a bit of housekeeping or just trying to get back that crucial piece of information you archived a while ago, knowing how to restore archived lists is a crucial skill for any Trello user. Let's dig right in. First, ensure you've got your preferred web browser open and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the Login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to continue. If you find this step familiar, that's because logging into Trello is just like any other web application. You have the choice to either type in your email credentials, or if you're like me and prefer shortcuts, you can use your Google account for a faster login process. Choose the method that suits you best and proceed by entering your login details. Once you are logged in, head over to the Boards section on Trello. This can be found easily on the top bar of the Trello interface. As you scroll down, you will see a section labeled Your Workspaces. This is where you'll find all your boards neatly organized. Click on the specific board where the archived list resides. This might be a board dedicated to personal tasks, a team project, or just a collection of brilliant ideas waiting to happen. With your chosen board open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 stacked dots. This is more commonly known as the ellipsis or the More Options button. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Archived Items to see all previously archived cards and lists. Now at first, you might only see archived cards, which is why it's important to switch views. Look for the button that says Switch to Lists. This action changes the display from archived cards to your archived lists, making it easier to spot exactly what you're looking for. Finally, you'll be presented with all the lists you've archived from the selected board. Scroll through until you find the list you want to restore. Once you've found it, click on Send to Board. This magical button will return your list to its rightful place on the board, along with all its cards in tow, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully restored your archived list back into full view on your Trello board. Remember, Trello is all about organization and flexibility, so don't worry about archiving too many lists. You can always bring them back just as easily as you've done today. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.